Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very unique keyboard, and this is Crush 80 from WOBKEY with ball catch mechanism, right? And this is a beta. This is a very limited amount of keyboards, so I was lucky to purchase one of them, and I have no idea what I have inside. So let's go together, open this box, let's check what is inside, and let's find what is unique in this keyboard. So first of all, let's open the box. It's a pretty hefty box, so it's a lot of stuff inside, and I'm just curious what I have. So this is additional switch plate, cool metal one. Will be interesting to test the sound. Okay, we have a simple key and switch puller. We have a braided USB-C, USB-A cable, user manual, switches, and I don't know what switches do I have. In a spec on the side, it's HMX Lite version and B-Sun Switch Pro version, but I have no idea what I have. So if you know what this kind of switch, please let me know in the comment section down below. But it seems they're linear. Okay, we have some accessories like a gasket, dumbbells, rubbed feet, case corner protectors, yeah. And another set of accessories, we have screw of ball catch structure and screws for bottom case. So far so good. And this keyboard supports via driver, which is great. And I can see that we have wired, Bluetooth and wireless connection. Okay, and even something more from accessories point of view. Sounds like under PCB layer, but let's see during the testing. I'm not sure what is it. You see, this keyboard was never opened yet. So let's do this together. Do you feel this sound? I do. This is one more piece of art from these guys. Okay, on the bottom side we have I think this is a weight bar, right? Also, let me remove the amazing. And if not mistaken, we have a magnet shield, and under this magnet shield we have a 2.4 wireless dongle. It's not obvious, guys, so if you understand how to find this 2.8 wireless dongle, don't thank me. So anyway, let's quickly go through this. So if I understand from the name, we have 80% mechanical keyboard, 80% layout, with arrow case, with F case, with all this home insert page up and page down, right? Everything else pretty standard from the layout point of view. Keycaps, we have a double shot PBT, right? Yeah, just check them out. Not shine through, but high quality, which is good. And underneath we have this switch, which is, I don't know which one, but here you go, right? 5 pins. I think it's linear, but I don't know the name of the model. But let's quickly check if it's a pre-looped or not. Yep, it is pre-looped and it is linear. So under the switch we have switch pad, we have south facing RGB, and this PCB accepts 3 or 5 pin switches. Let me try something. Surprise. Here we go. You don't need to unscrew anything. This is ball catch system, which is very useful. I'm not seeing this first time. It was some keyboard on my channel with this type of how to say assemble, right, between bottom shell and upper shell. It's very convenient. You can just push it up and that's all. Okay, underneath of this magnetic okay, so one more nice one. This is a magnetic connection to the battery So again, you don't need to disconnect any wires between PCB and a battery. It's all on a magnet connection, so you can just lift it up and that's all. So far it's a super great keyboard impression from my side. Okay, let's continue. So I assume this left and right stuff related to RGB. We will check this later. So under PCB we have a perfectly cutted layer of foam, and it's a kind of double layer, because you see we have one is cutted for the back side of the switch, and we have another one just to cover space between PCB sandwich and bottom shell. But I'm wondering what's the difference between these two layers. This is more thin, obviously. Okay, I can try this later with some testing and sound testing. This is a PCB from the back side, gorgeous one, but sound, you will be amazed with sound. Okay, we have plate mounted stabilizers, obviously pre-lubed, and we have different gasket mounted systems, right? By default we have the silicone pins, which is coming exactly to the proper slot on the bottom shell, right? But we can change them to the different other ways, if I'm not mistaken, or not. This is just spare gasket dumbbells. I mean, if you do something wrong with this one, you can replace. And this is one switch plate, right? And I can do the test with this switch plate, but also I can do the test with a metal switch plate, which is amazing. So guys, you ask for the feedback for people who participate in beta testing. So far, just great structure. We will do a deep dive in other aspects of this keyboard, but from the structure point of view, it's amazing. So from RGB point of view, take into account that this is a black keyboard with black keycaps and they're not shine through. I can see this RGB from different angles, so it's pretty powerful. So guys, I know what are you waiting for. Let's do this. So guys, it was a sound test with everything. I mean, with all these layers, right? It was sound test without anything, and it was sound test with only this tiny piece of, I don't know even what is this, but some sound absorbing layer. And you know what I like the most with this? Of course, the most deeper sound, the most juicy one with all these foams and layers, right? But I don't know, I like this without. It's obviously everybody can decide by themselves, right? So once again, I'm impressed with the quality. After Rainy 75, I think only one keyboard was the same quality out from the box, right? But this one is just great. So this was a quick first impression review, right? In the next video, I'm gonna to remove all keycaps, switches, and check what is inside a PCB sandwich, plus via driver, plus real testing with my gaming PC and MacBook. Also, I have some keycaps from Keytalk brand, so I'm gonna to apply them to this keyboard to check how it looks like and how it sounds with a different set of keycaps. So if you are wondering what will be in a part 2 of review of this Crush 80, stay tuned, stay connected, and see you next time.